yo, who will a alien? So, friend, like in a earth, we are live in a earth. Earth will our home. So, in a earth, the person who will lives, his name will a human being.
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा
इसके मुंह में पैदाशी सुपारी है.
So, on a earth, even we are a human being. We are have a many country. So like many country like a India, a London, a Japan, a New York.
बताओ बताओ ना, कुछ तो बताओ, अरे कुछ तो बताओ, कुछ तो बताओ, कुछ तो बताओ ना.
Africa, Europe, and all other like that. In plenty many country. I know all the names, but the video will many longer, and you are get a bored.
तोबा 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 थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
If I tell you all a country name. So, the earth, he will have a most many country. The country have a different peoples, like a you, like a me, like a all everybody. So we are live in a earth. Like that, outside a earth, we have a sky. On top of the earth, we have a sky. It like a roof on the top of our house, you know, the chat. So like that we are got a sky.
भाषण कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
So at night the sky he will become a black color. A morning the sky he will be a white color. So on the top of the sky, even more topper than the sky, you are got a one place. His name will a spaces. So in a spaces we are got a many the thing like a and in this place like the spaces now inside have just like in a earth we have a country, like that in a spaces we have this place from where come the alien.
तो सिंपल भाषा में इन भाई साहब का ये कहना है कि हमारा जो अर्थ है उसका जो छत है उसके भी ऊपर एक छत है, उसके भी ऊपर स्पेसेस है, और उस स्पेसेस में अलग अलग स्टेट्स हैं. जैसे हमारे स्टेट्स होते हैं कंट्री में, वैसे ही उधर भी स्टेट्स हैं और उन स्टेट्स में एलियंस रहते हैं.
So this place where the alien will be stay in a spaces, it will the sun, the moon, the star, the planet. So you can be see the planet here. It a solar system. Is a, in a spaces have a solar system, have a this like the planet and all that. So the alien he will be live in these places, and from here he will come and he will sit in a Udan Tashtari, the UFO, a fly and came and he will come a earth. Why will he come a earth? What will he want? Will he want for eat you? Some of him he want for eat you. Okay, friend, one thing. You see, you meet me, you are say he's nice person. You meet another bullshit person, you say he a bullshit person. You meet some person, he will evil. Some person, he will so evil, he will done the tourist. He will done the tourist. person he will like a guru, like a sant, like only pray a god, you know, like that also have. So you have like a normal person, a good person, you have a evil like a tourist, you have like a every type of personality will have a earth.
ये भी ठीक है.
So friend, like that only, even the alien, all the alien will not a one type. They will a different personality. In a Predator movie, the alien he will want for eat you. Yes. It a most danger alien. Then you are shown the some other movie like a Koi Mil Gaya movie. There the Jadoo he will came from a spaces, and he will give the Rohit, he will give him a power, he will make him his anak go away. So he is done a good for a human being. So friend, not a all alien will bad. Some alien will good, some alien will bullshit, some alien will evil, some alien will bad, just like a some human. Okay, so that's why I'm say you must not be just think, "Arey, he's alien, so I must be bad to him." You try to understand what type of alien. If you see him, you try to understand what type of alien. See from afar, and don't show your faces. So see if he will a good, if he will a bad, if he will a evil, and depend that, then you can be make a friendship or make a enemy and shoot at him, or you can be run away.
तो देखो, तुम्हें ना एलियन को एकदम दूर से देखना है. अगर वो एलियन अच्छी शक्ल का दिख रहा है तो उससे दोस्ती कर लो. अगर उसकी शक्ल गंदी है या फिर अजीब है तो उसको या फिर गोली मार दो या फिर उस जगह से तुरंत भाग लो. शक्ल मत दिखाना.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं. अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार. मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे 2 मिलियन लाइक्स चाहिए, कैसे ना कैसे करके मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए. तो लाइक मारो. और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो. वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए. अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं.